So here's a dilution problem where you'll use M1V1 equals M2V2, but it has a little bit of a twist. So M1V1 equals M2V2 anytime involving dilutions. So we have 505 ml of a 0.125 molar HCl solution. Okay, so that's what we have. We want to dilute it to 0.100 molar, which basically means we need to add some water to this. How much water should you add? So we said assuming the volumes are additive. So M1V1 is equal to M2V2. This is our stock, and this is how much we have. So we have M1 and V1 on hand with us. Coming from the problem, okay, we have 0.125, and we've got 505 milliliters of that molar solution. We want to get it to 0.100 molar. Okay, so our final dilution is 0.100 molar. Okay, so what should be our total volume? Okay, total volume of our solution. And the total volume is the key to solving this problem. So let's go ahead and solve for V2 here. So I have 0.2125 big M, which is moles per liter, 525 ml. We're going to divide this by 0.100 M. Okay, be keen that the big M moles per liter cancels out with the big M moles per liter, leaving us with ml. So 0.125 times 525. So we have 656 milliliters. Okay. Right, so the answer is you don't just dump 656 milliliters to this. What you do is you have to subtract. So you're going to take 656 milliliters. Remember, this has to be the total volume. So if you dump 656 milliliters and write that as your answer, your total volume is going to be, what is that, 656 plus 525, 1200 or so milliliters. So that's not the right answer. The right answer is the total volume. You already have 525 mils in there. So how much water do you need to add? You need to add 656 minus 525. So that's about 131 milliliters. So the correct answer is you need to add 131 milliliters of water. Okay, and how we got that was taking 656 minus 525. Right? So whenever you have to ask a question how much water you need to add, you can't just report as the right answer whatever you get out of the math. You're going to have to do some sort of subtraction. It's very important that the V2, when you make your solution, this is the final volume. Well, you already have 525 as part of your final volume. Add another 131 there, and you'll get to the concentration of 0.1. Okay, so from 0.125 concentration molar to 0.1 molar concentration of this, what is this chemical here, of this HCl, you just add 131 milliliters already to this bottle.